What's up, guys? It's your girl Shawnette again. Sorry I've been missing for a while. I've just been super busy. So yeah, my daughter is getting married this year, so I'm doing some DIY stuff for the wedding, and some packages came, so I'm here trying to make an arch for her. This came from Amazon and I'm putting it together right now. So that's what I'm here doing. Also, I ordered these beautiful flowers. You'll see when I put everything together, you guys will come along and see everything. But this is supposed to go on the arch like this. So that's just me trying to save and do some of the decorations myself. So that's what I'm doing. I'm starting early. I'm a girl, I like perfection, so I'm starting really early. I'm gonna literally do a test run, put everything up together, see how I like it. If there's anything that needs to be tweaked or purchased, I'm gonna do that. So I don't want to wait till the last minute to do anything. So that's what I'm here doing today, Saturday. What better time, I'm just staying in today, and that's what I'm doing. And guys, if you're new to this channel, welcome. Please take a minute and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss another upload. And my returning subscribers, I really and truly appreciate you guys for rocking with me. So yeah, just watch me as I put this arch together, and yeah, come along the journey. Look at the arch. It's super big. Oh my goodness. Look at that. 8 feet by 8 feet. So 8 feet tall and 8 feet wide. It is huge. Let me give you a good idea how tall it is. Look at me. I'm 5 feet 6 inches. This is where I'm at. Super big. Anyhow, let me see. My plan is to keep it up and work on it, but this thing is huge. Oh my gosh. But you know what? I like it. I like the size. I can bring it down to 6 feet, but it's gonna be too, yeah. So yeah, she is, the ceremony and the reception is gonna be at the same place. So yeah, just pretty much setting this up. So this is gonna be the backdrop for the ceremonies, pretty much is what it is. So yeah, I bought these. These are the zip ties. They're called cable ties. So these, I'm gonna try tying this onto that. So let me work on it. show you what I call to show you. You're gonna be surprised. I'm not finished. Hold on. I need a lot of look. Let me turn the camera around. Look. Guys, I'm just trying something. It's the rest of the flowers for there and for there is coming on Monday. So I'm just messing around with that cloth to see, you know, kind of what it looks like, but that is definitely not the way it's gonna look. I will definitely come up with a nice design for it, but yeah, this is gonna be, I'm just testing it out, just a test run. I should have took this and put it on top instead, but yeah, I'll come back and you guys will see the finished product. No, not the complete finished product, because I still have to get like something like a little, something cute for the middle, something nice gold hanging in the middle, a little pendant or something hanging there. But yeah, so far so good. Guys, I had to cut my decorating short. My arch broke. So it's going right back to Amazon because it's not sturdy enough. So this is why I am doing this. So doing a test run just to make sure that everything goes well. Just imagine me buy this stuff and setting it up for the first time the morning of the wedding, or you know what I mean, and it break. I would be in big trouble. So now my job is to find the most sturdy arch that I can purchase that can stand the test of time and return this flimsy thing to Amazon. So yeah, guys, to be continued. I'm sorry. Yep, it just collapsed on me.